I wandered into town, cold wind at my back, carrying a story I never told, trying not to look back. Searching for faces from another time, a love that still pulls at me, in places that once were cool, now just shadows I can see. I drove the old street slow, looking for something true. Every turn felt familiar, every memory led to you. But you can't go back once you cross that track. Past don't wait around. Fame leaves a mark you can't wash off. I chased down my yesterdays, found ghosts instead of signs. Some love stay buried deep, some never leave your mind. I wandered into town today, where love gets traded for a song, and all those faces and places still whisper what went wrong. I still carry you with me. I still carry you with me. Ooh, I still carry you with me. Every mile behind me whispers of the man I used to be, but the mirror in this moment shows a stranger looking back at me. Let the night erase the day. Some roads never lead you backward, some just lead you